My name is Dave Hovenden. I'm the Senior Manager of Content Operations for Ex Libris North America. With the central index, it's really important to have everything that a library has, whether it's their catalog records, their digital collections, their institutional repositories, along with all their e-resources, all of the journals, all of the books that they may subscribe to, in one place to make it easy for their patrons, their researchers, their faculty, or even themselves to discover and find whenever they're looking for something. And for a knowledge base, with so much electronic resources out in the world, you want an easy way to be able to track all of that. And that's the biggest benefit of a knowledge base, is it's all in one place. We work with all sorts of data. Primarily, we work with a lot of journals and book content, but we have everything from patents, we have reports, we have data sets, we have Realia, we have art objects, we have a book cart that we deal with. Lately, more and more, we're finding that there's a lot more streaming video and streaming audio content that providers and publishers are coming out in the market with. So we're seeing a lot more of that. What metadata is important for discovery? All of it. So we definitely are looking for things like the title metadata. We have to know what something's called. We want to look for identifier metadata. Each record should have a unique identifier, but we also want to know what its parent identifier is, so things like the ISSN, ISBN. We want the citation metadata, volume, issue, publication date, publication place, author, who wrote the piece of content. Those are the main types of metadata that are important for discovery, as well as subject terms and keywords. The more robust those are, the more likely you're probably going to find something. We have a team of metadata librarians who evaluate all of the content that it's coming through. So they pour through the data, they're looking for any inconsistencies. They're also mapping it to our schemas. This is what allows the content to first be discoverable when you search for it, but also to display in our various UIs. They'll do the mapping, and then we'll do some cleanup work as well. We'll remove trailing spaces, we'll fix encoding issues, clean up some diacritics. And then in terms of enrichment, some of the things that we do is we'll add scholarly and peer-reviewed flags. We also have some citation trails. They're applying their subject matter expertise. They're applying their backgrounds. Some of them have actually come from academic libraries, some from public libraries. They understand the needs and concerns that libraries have when it comes to this content. They're very meticulous, and they're very concerned in making sure that this content is the best that it can be for their peers.